I have been wanting to bring a review for these for the longest time. Comment down below and let me know 1 out of 10, how do you feel about these based off of the thumbnail and based off of the title. I think I'm gonna start doing that for all my intros. I'm gonna start off by just saying, what do you guys think about it? But we got some fire today. We got some fire today. Let's check it out. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Nefred. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very blessed day. Now, in today's video, I am bringing you guys another sneaker review, and as you could tell from the title, as you could tell from the thumbnail, and as you could tell, I had to put on a special attire for this one because this is a 2020 release. This has come out last year. If you've been following the channel for a while, then you know that I actually was in the process of moving last year, and there's been a couple of sneakers that I still have to do reviews on that I just haven't got to them, which I promise you I will. I will, but this was one of those sneakers, and the reason why I wasn't able to go ahead and get it out, because like I said, I was in the process of moving, but now we're able to review it today. And the sneaker that we're going to be looking at is the Air Jordan 4 Fire Red. And if you know, this turned a lot of heads last year. They did a re-release, and finally we did get a 2020 pair with that Nike Air on the back, and I'm just extremely excited that I can actually bring this review for the channel. So with further ado, let's dive straight into these beautiful sneakers. Let's go. First and foremost though, before we even dive into the sneakers, I need to tell you guys I really appreciate the love and the support that you guys have been showing on the channel. I always gotta make sure I start off doing that first. Before we even get into anything, it's because you guys really allow me to keep moving and keep going, and that right there is just very special. We are currently on the road to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and I just literally know that we are gonna get it, but still, everybody that supports, I really just mean it. I really mean it. I appreciate you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Like I always tell you, if you ever want to leave me a comment or anything you want to say, please go ahead and leave it one down below. I will try to get back to you as soon as thoughtful as I can. So without further ado, let's go straight into this review. Also, before we go into the review as well, like you know, I always try to be color coordinated. If this is your first time, definitely go ahead and like the video, definitely subscribe, because it really helps out the channel a bunch. But I always like to be color coordinated, hence why I have, you know, the color that we're looking at is Fire Red, so I have the red and white attire today, and I always like to match it with my headbands. So we're gonna get this headband on and let's get straight into the review. Let's go. All right, we got the headband on. I got the Fire Red, and I do got the Nike white swoosh right there, so you know I had to match it as well. So now we can take a dive into these babies. So I got my knife right here, and we're gonna start tearing into this box gently, not hard. But like I said, this did release November 27th of 2020 last year, and this was definitely probably my favorite, as far as Air Jordan 4s go, my favorite release of 4s that happened last year. Comment down below, let me know what you think about them. Oh, there they go right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and peel these back, peel this back. We're gonna take this out of the box. I was lucky enough to hit on Nike sneakers last year, so Nike guys, thank you so much. Let's go ahead and get the box out of here, and then we are greeted with the Air Jordan 4 Fire Red box. So you do have your black lid with your Jumpman red, and it does have Flight under it. All looking around the box as well, you do have the cement, which goes all around. You do have the Nike tag, which Nike Air, excuse me, which goes right there. And then looking at it, I'm gonna read you guys the subscription. I'm gonna read you guys the size tag, and I'll let you go. I'll show you as well. So we are looking at today the Air Jordan 4 white Fire Red black tech gray. These are a 10.5 in men, and in women's this is a size 12. Retail price was for these was $200. So there they go right here. We're gonna go ahead and pop this lid off, not wasting no more time. And you know what? No, I always like doing it like this so you guys can see. Let's go ahead and pop the lid off. Let's go ahead and pop the lid right there. You do have it all inner red, and as far as that lid goes, let's go ahead and put this on the side. Then you do have your cement tissue paper. Let's go. Ooh, it's packaged very nice. Whoever packaged this, props to you for real. Let's go ahead and peel these back like that. One, oh man. Let's go ahead and peel these back, and there we go right there, boom. Whee! got the left pair right there. I'm gonna put this on the side. Let's go ahead and peel the right. Go ahead, take it out, and then bam, right there we do have the right. So let me go ahead and put everything up, and then we're gonna go into the review. Okay, boom, here we go right there. The Air Jordan 4 Fire Red, which was released last year. We do have the right, and then we have the left. Let's go ahead and actually review. What do we want to review? What's better for the camera? You guys want left? Do you guys want right? Let's review the right. So, starting from looking at these beautiful babies, starting from the outsole, you are greeted with, it's like a 3-tone color. You have white, you do have black, I'm sorry, you have red, excuse me, and then you do have, actually I lied, it's a 2-tone color. You have white and then you do have red. You have your Nike logo right there, beautifully done. Looking at the midsole, you do have a black midsole, and then as it goes right there, you are hit with red, which goes all the way around the sneaker. Just so fire, literally clean. As you work your way up a little bit as well, you do have your cage unit, which is very beautiful, kind of coming to the very front. You do have a nice leather toe box, very beautiful, nice, and actually, you know, kind of plush too, because when you go up, you do have your eyelets right there, which are in red. You have your white laces, which come up. Then as you go up to the tag, you do have the Jumpman, which is in that stitched flight right there, very beautiful. As you look around the back too, oh, this is the best one. This is the touch right here. As you look in the back, you do have your black pull tab, and then you have your Nike Air logo right there. Anything Nike Air looks very beautiful. The last time these were released, they did not have the Nike Air. They just had the regular Jumpman right there. So, you know, anything Nike Air is just very beautiful. Looking at the tongue right here as well, you do have, it says Air Jordan, and the tongue is red. Let's go ahead and pull the shoe tree out. I went ahead and, as you can see, a size 10.5. I know it's probably kind of hard to see. The camera's probably not picking it up the best, but in that, in there, it does say Nike Air right there. Very beautiful. And there they go right there, man. This was the 2020 release Air Jordan 4. Luckily enough, I was able to go ahead and hit on Nike, so thank you guys so much for that. And just let me know down below. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I don't feel like anyone's really gonna hate this sneaker for sure. This is a fire colorway. We have a lot of 4s coming out too, so I was like, you know what, why not bring the review today, right? But comment down below, let me know right there. Oh, this side as well has, when you look at the left pair, it has the Nike hang tag. Very sick, man. Very sick. This is one that I will for sure be having in the collection. I also will be rocking a lot too. And you know, I just think that when it comes to 4s, I know 4s are a lot of people's favorite silhouettes. Not mine. 3s are my favorite silhouette, so I'm on the 3 train, but 4s are definitely a silhouette that I know a lot of people always go after. Speaking of 4s too, I know currently right now for this year we have a couple more releases coming forth. We have the Air Jordan 4 white Oreos that is coming, I believe, this Thursday. No, I'm lying, this Saturday, June 3rd. So if you're going for those, good luck. We have even more. We have the Lightning 4s. We have a new colorway. I think it's called the Red Lightning, if I'm not mistaken. The Red Thunders, which is coming out October 4th. We just have so many variety of sneakers that are coming out, and I just really, I can't, hopefully I can get my hands on them. That way I can bring you guys more fire reviews. But here they go right there. These are the Air Jordan 4 Fire Red that came out last year. I know the review is still late, but I still wanted to get this out for you guys. Comment down below, let me know what you think about these babies. Definitely a clean sneaker. As far as where you can get them at, this was last year, like I said, so these are already sold out for all retailers. But if you want to go ahead and you want to check the secondary markets like GOAT and StockX, go check those. I don't know exactly how much you're going for right now, so I do apologize about that, but that is just another option. So really quick, I'm gonna go ahead and break away to a small little overview so you can check them out, and check them out right here. These look really good in the sunlight. The white, the black, the cage, the Nike Air. Oh, just, oh, these are fire, man. These are really cool. really cool. Okay guys, so this is going to conclude today's video. I hope you really did enjoy the review over the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds. Comment down below, let me know what you think about them. I'm gonna break away to an on-feet review really quick too. I really do appreciate you so much for pulling up. Thank you so much for the love and support. Like I said, we're on the road to 1K this year, and I know we're gonna get there with your guys' support. Comment down below and let me know how you feel about these. Also, like I said, this weekend, good luck to everybody. I know the Air Jordan 4 white, gray, or I'm sorry, the white Oreo is releasing Saturday. So if you're going for those, because I know I am, and hopefully I entered all types of raffle, but if you're going for those, let me know how you feel about those as well, and I'd really like to appreciate it. If you have any more questions for me, please comment down below. Even message me over on my Instagram. I will try my best to go ahead and get to you as much as I can. Until next time guys, it is your kid Nefry. Remember, there's only ever going to be one you, so be the best you. And until next time guys, have a blessed day, and I'll see you later. Peace.
Gemz.